Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the solution for print of palindromic substring. So first of all, in this question what we have been given is a string and we need to generate all the substrings. Then we need to check which of the following are the palindrome. If the substrings are palindrome, then we need to print those palindromic substrings. So let's take an example. So suppose we have been given this string. Okay, now what we need to do is first generate all the substrings, then we are going to check which of the following substring is a palindrome. If it is a palindrome, then we are going to print it. So first let's generate all the substrings. Okay, so if we start from A, then we have A, AB, ABC, ABCC. Then for B we have B, BC, BCC. For C we have C and then CC. Now for the last C we have only C. Right. Now we have going to check which of the following are substring palindromes or not. So A is a palindrome, AB is not, ABC is not, ABCC is not, A is a palindrome, BC is not, BCC is not, C is a palindrome, CC is a palindrome, and this C is also a palindrome. Okay, so we can confirm which of the following are the palindrome or not. In the sample input we have been given ABCC and these are the sample output. So let's confirm. So you can confirm now. We got A, we got B, we got single C, we got double C, then we again got single C. So these are the possible palindrome from this string. Okay, so now how we can find these possible. First we need to check how we can generate all these substrings. All right. Okay, if let's say I want to generate this substring, what I'm going to do is I will write sub st of 0 1. Okay, like this. If I do this, then I will generate this A substring. So 0 1, likewise 0 2, 0 3, 0 4, and for this I have to write 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. For this 2 3, and this 2 4, and for this I will have to write 3 4. Okay, so you possibly can see this pattern here. Okay, this is, if this is my I, for each loop you can see it is increasing by 1, and my j, when we are starting, it is starting from I plus 1, and it is going till my length of string. You can see my length of string is 4, so it is going till 4. Here 4, 4, 4, and 4 again. My I is going till length of string minus 1, which is 3 here. Let me write it clearly. 3 and 4. My I is going till length of string minus 1, and my j is going till the length of my string. So that's how we are going to generate all the substring. We are going to write a loop for I, which will start from 0 and it will go to I less than length of string. My j loop will start from I plus 1. You can see clearly, if it is at 0, my j loop is starting from I plus 1. And if my I is at 1, my j is starting from I plus 1, which is 2. Here my I is 2, my j is starting from 3, and we have I equal to 3, then my j is starting from 4. So I plus 1 it will start from, and will last till I less than or equal to, oh sorry, j is less than equal to length of string. So we are going to write this loop, and we are just going to create a substring starting from I till j, and after this we are going to check if this substring is palindrome or not. Now, how we can check for palindrome, we will see later. First, we are going to write code for generating all the substrings. So let's write that. So my first loop will start from I. So for I in range 0 till length of string, and my j loop should start from I plus 1. So for j in range I plus 1 till length of my string, length of st plus 1. Okay, now my substring will be st I colon j. Alright, so let's see if we are getting all the substrings or not. So let's do this. Okay, there's some spelling mistake here. Alright, you can see we got A B, A B C, A B C C, B, B C, B C C, 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 and C. Okay, so we are getting all the substrings. Now we need to check if this substring is palindrome or not. If if palindrome. Now we need to write a function called is palindrome, which is going to tell me if my string is palindrome or not. If this is a palindrome, then I have to print this substring. Okay, so how we can check if a string is palindrome or not? See, okay, for example, let's see, we have A, B, C, B, A, A. Okay, so we can clearly see this is a palindrome. We got A here, A again, B again, and we have C here. So for checking if this string is a palindrome or not, we are going to check from both sides, from left side and from right side, left and right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to check if left is equal to right. If left is equal to right, then we are going to check for next elements. Left will be increased by 1 and right will be decreased by 1. Left plus 1, right minus 1. They are equal. Then we are going to check for next two. Left plus 1, right minus 1. These are same. Now we reach at the, so we are going to go out of this loop. Okay, now this is a palindrome, so we go out of the loop and we are going to return true. But let's say at this point, when we are checking for B here, instead of B here we have D. Okay, let me write it clearly. We have D here. If they are not equal, then what we are going to do, we are going to return false from this point onward, meaning that the string we got is not a palindrome. Alright, So we can write our program function for is palindrome or not. So def is palindrome. Okay, man, I made a mistake. Palin Rome string s. Now left will start from 0, right will start from length of string this one, right most index, while left is less than if s of l not equal to s of r, then what we are going to do, we are going to return false. And if all the elements are equal, then we are going to return true. Alright, so let's run our program. Okay, I made a mistake. After this, I have to increase my left by 1 and decrease right by. Alright, so it is being accepted. It is showing us the substring that we desired. So now we are going to submit and check for all test cases. Alright, so we got 10 out of 10, which means that our programming logic was correct, and it is showing us all the palindromic substrings. So with this, a solution for print all palindromic substrings is over. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one.